When you are logging into your myViewBoard whiteboard from your desktop or laptop, it's going to be down in your start menu, or you can search for it here. It will only be available if you've installed it from your software center. This software is also available on the whiteboard, the ViewSonic board itself. However, you have some more features available. It's a little bit more of an updated version if you are using it on your desktop or laptop and using VCast to push it to your board. So that is just a suggestion if you're looking for some of the faster loading and a few more features. Once you log in, you might have the option to say whether you want to update. Just click no on that. And then you will want to sign in to have full features. So you know you're not signed in if you don't see your email address at the top left up here. You can sign in by either clicking the circle in the bottom right or clicking the G. If you don't see this pop-up box, that would be the solution there. If you click G, it's just going to give you the option to sign in with Google. It will take you just a second and get you signed in. Then you'll be signed in for the next hour. Once you're on this interface, you can see that now I am logged in. My email address is in the top left corner. And there are a few toolbars to know about. This one is the floating toolbar. You can move it anywhere on the screen while you are working. We'll go through the features of that in another video. You have the main toolbar, which you can only move with these four arrows here, and you have three options. You can side dock or bottom. So I can move it to the side if that's preferred, or I can keep it down here on the bottom. And then you can change background and do some participation modes down here as well. When you are finished with Whiteboard, just click the X at the top right corner, or you can minimize it if you are wanting to come back to it later.